Talk.
Tint Talk here, like and subscribe. We're back. We got this big, grande windshield with the F-150 on it. And I know I haven't shrunk a little windshield and throw it on here in a minute. So I guess I'll just do a little shrink video. And then I'll do a full episode for this car right after this. Minus the front driver window that I had already laid, just to check it, because sometimes when you're using these plotter programs, these F-150s, 250s, the front windows are hit and miss. It's always mismatch, but that's pretty normal. Sometimes it'll be a extended body cab F-150 windows on like a two-door F-150, so it's hit or miss. It's not the plotter program's problem or fault necessarily at all, because when they build these cars, sometimes they just swap the back halves with the front halves a lot. So it's always kind of mismatch. You got to remember that any type of trucks, they build in two pieces. So you know, they might stick this front two-door cabin half type into like an extended one, you know, so it's all give or take with these. This is 50%, if anybody's wondering, by the way. What shades is 50, and as of right now, this isn't one of those explanation videos or anything like that. You're just gonna watch and I guess see what I do when I shrink, and you know, that's about it. I shrink naturally. So here's a little trick really quick though. This little piece right here, it's a little line, and to get this line out, I call this sniping. I don't know how well you can see this line over here. There's a line here. It's like a baby crease. So what you want to do is grab air from a different area, and then you put it right under there, and you can snipe it out. Now it's completely flat, it's gone. And here's another one right here. Snipe that out. So that's a little, I know I said I wouldn't do much explaining on strategy on this video, but I couldn't even help myself right there. That's called sniping right there. If you ever have sometimes baby creases in your film, don't worry about it. Just come back to it later on and snipe it out your film. So yeah, I'm gonna go to this other side really quick of this windshield. Finish this other side of the windshield if I got enough rope with me here. Keep this with me. Doesn't get wrapped around the tires. So I know a lot of people are probably confused about me shrinking truck windows, F-150, F-250s, because you don't necessarily have to shrink them. But I find sometimes I run into like very rare moments where I get a big finger on them, and I'm like, dude, I'll take the extra time to shrink them. It's not really that big of a deal to me. I'd rather deal with it on the outside than the inside 10 times out of 10. So that's just how that's gonna go with this one. That's why I'm shrinking it instead of just laying it. So for you people out there, don't you know you don't have to do that? I mean, you don't have to, but then again, I don't have to go inside and fix the whatever was messed up either if I do it like this. So that's the answer to that. But yeah, and hopefully I'll get you guys some more good content coming. I know I've only been able to put out like one episode every week, or not even week, but one episode a month, but I've just been so busy. But I'm close to 500 subs, so you know, I'm on my way to 500 subscribers, and I'd very well appreciate that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just trying to YouTube this out. Like I told people, I would just stick with it regardless. So I'll just see how it goes. See what happens when you stick with something and don't give up at it. So see if I can make it on this YouTube thing. And you know, as of now, 500 subscribers. Nobody's paying me to do nothing. Nothing at all. No sponsors, anything. It's just me here. It's all out the mud.